For the 1.8 million dreamers, young immigrants that were brought illegally to the country as children, a path to American citizenship may open up. Donald Trump is ready to sign such a plan. The plan also includes money to fund a wall for the border we share with Mexico in the south. The 1.8 million dreamers could apply to become US citizens in 10 to 12 years if they have jobs and did not commit any crime. Both Republicans and Democrats have people who are unhappy with this deal, saying that there is instability in the views held by the Republicans who run the current government. First question: what do you think would happen if we don't have any citizenship plan for the 1.8 million dreamers? Second question: why is it important for people to have a job and work? What happens if people don't have a job?